To get a bigger pointer when using a mouse or do screen recording on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under size and zoom section, tap pointer size and color. To get a bigger pointer, slide the adjustment bar below pointer size to the right. As you are adjusting the pointer size, you can see how the pointer will look like in the preview. So you can easily find the right setting that fit with your need. As a note, the setting will be applied when you are using a mouse to navigate your phone or when you do screen recording while the show taps and touches option is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.